In this video, we will show the best bookshelves in India 2020. At number 1, DeckUp Lexis 3-shelf bookcase. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, DecorNation 3-tier Nora bookcase. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, custom decor wall rack shelf. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, AAROORA bedside end table. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Kurtzy MDF wood self. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Bookshelf 4STG. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.